Welcome to this trauma-informed yoga practice for fertility. This practice involves meditations and positive affirmations, as well as gentle yoga shapes to help relax the body, calm the nervous system, and help with stress to hopefully help you on your fertility journey. Go grab your yoga mat and we'll get started. I invite you to join me in a comfortable seat, or you could lie down if you'd like. You can gently close your eyes and relax your gaze. Gently tuning into your breath, bringing awareness to the body, relaxing the jaw, the shoulders, allowing the body to sink into whatever surface you are on. You can imagine a gentle, glowing light, whatever color feels good for you, coming into your womb space. And if you would like, you could place your hands here. And allow this light to radiate calm, beautiful, powerful energy into your womb. Breathing deep into here, knowing that this light, this sensation is meant to heal, to warm, to strengthen the area. If your hands are on your womb, I invite you to move them to your legs, but you can continue to picture this light throughout the practice if you would like. If your eyes are closed, you can keep them closed or gently open them and just twist your body over to the right as far as feels comfortable. As you exhale, bring your body back to center, twisting over to the left. Exhale, body back to center. Moving through gentle, slow yoga shapes today. You can join me on hands and knees. Most of these shapes are going to be for the hips, the legs, the low back, bringing some gentleness to that area of the body. On hands and knees, you can inhale, lower your stomach to the ground for cow. Exhale, rounding for cat. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. And moving through more of these at your own pace here. Finding the movements that feel nourishing for you, maybe some circles or some back and forth, side to side movements of the body. Knowing you are here today to bring your body joy and love, compassion as you're on this journey. When you're ready, moving into child shape, knees can come as wide as the mat, bringing the hips backwards to meet the feet, resting the head down in stillness. Bracing the breath here, perhaps picturing that beautiful light as you breathe into the womb space. And when you're ready, moving back up to all fours, bringing that left leg forward in low lunge, allowing a stretch forward here in the lunge. You can place your hands on the inside of that front foot. Nice breath here through the hips. If you would like, twisting to the left, allowing that arm to go up. Exhale, arm comes down. Moving that left hand so it's on the outside of the foot. So the foot is now in between both hands here. And then gently straightening that front knee so you get a bit of a stretch through the hamstring. And then exhale, bend the knee. Bring that hip forward, that knee forward of the front leg. And then back into that hamstring stretch, moving back and forth at your own speed as far as feels comfortable for your body today. Once you're back in that low lunge, taking that left foot, bringing it back to meet the right knee and switching sides here. Right foot goes forward, hands on the inside of the right foot. You might stay here. Maybe you twist open to the right. Exhale, come back down. Bringing that the right foot in between both hands. Moving into a nice low lunge here. And then straightening that front knee to hamstring stretch. Back to low lunge. Once again, moving at your own speed, whatever feels nourishing and kind to your hips, to your legs, to your back. And when you're ready, bringing that foot back once again to meet the other leg. And then moving on to your back. Taking a moment to ground here. Maybe hands on the womb space once again, feeling that glowing light. If you'd like, you can join me in figure 4. Take the left foot, place it above the right knee, bring that left knee down. If you want more of a sensation through the hips, you could lift up that right leg, maybe clasp the hands behind the right knee. Resting here. If you notice your chin is up, try and bring it down a little bit, tuck it in. Exhale. If your leg is up, you can lower that right leg down. Take that left foot off, switch to the other side. Right foot above the left knee, right knee down towards the ground. Once again, if you want more of a sensation, lift that left leg, grabbing your hands around the leg. And pausing here in stillness, bringing that chin in. On an exhale, lowering that left leg, right knee goes down. Happy baby is not usually done in trauma-informed yoga, but if you would like, you can use that shape with me today. Bringing the legs up with the knees bent. You could grasp around the lower legs. You could grasp around the feet. If you would prefer to just bring your knees to chest instead of happy baby, feel free to do so. Deep breaths into the belly here, into the back body. Allowing the hips, the thighs to relax. One more deep breath here. And out. Bringing those knees to chest if they're not already there. Just gentle rock side to side. Finding your final resting shape. I'll be in butterfly here with my feet together and my knees out, but you can be however you'd like. Once again, you can place your hands on your womb space or anywhere that feels comfortable. You can listen to these positive affirmations and absorb them, or you can say them out loud to yourself if you'd like. My body is strong. I am healthy. I embrace the unique fertility journey that I am on. I am ready to welcome life into my body and my future. I am fertile. My body knows exactly what it needs to do to bring life into this world. I will be an amazing parent. Breathe in these affirmations, breathe in this light. And come back to this practice anytime you are needing some hope, some relaxation during your fertility journey. I wish you all the best.
I'll see you next time.